Welcome back to our pronunciation series, where we help you improve your English pronunciation. In today's video, we will learn how to pronounce the word comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable means something that makes you feel at ease or relaxed. It's a common word used in everyday conversation, so it's important to get the pronunciation right. First, let's break down the word into syllables. Comfortable. We have 4 syllables. The last syllable is similar to the word bull. The stress on the word falls on the second syllable, for. However, native speakers don't pronounce each syllable for comfortable. In fact, the pronunciation usually sounds more like this. Comfortable. Comfortable. Try saying it with me. Comfortable. Great. I can almost hear you saying it. The word stress is on the FTR sound. Comfortable. Comfortable. Here's a sentence to practice saying this. The new sofa is quite comfortable. Remember, practice this slowly at first. Comfortable. And then you can try saying it at a normal speed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Single Step English channel for more pronunciation tips and strategies. Thanks so much.